mean, I could walk to the other side of the park, but yeah. Missed the big splash. These people got a little wet. I guess now would be a really bad time to drop my phone, huh? Sure, what's with this huge dead zone in the middle here? The train that runs around it isn't running today. Most of the rides are running. There's a couple of them are not. It's a $25 park. It's local. You get what you pay for, I guess. It's not Six Flags, but nearest Six Flags is 10 hours away. You will never pay me to get one on one of those pirate ships. No, thank you. Probably do that blue roller coaster there in the distance a little later. And this green one right here. Everybody from El Paso knows what the names of these things are, and I don't, because I come here like once every 17 years. The little kiddie section doesn't look like it's running today, but it's all. There are some elementary schools here today, but it's mostly middle schools and a couple of high schools. But you know what? It's quiet up here. I don't like heights. I admit it. V-pit. I'm a little nervous. This is this bar between me and the ground, but I got pretty good grip strength. Let's say something were to go awry. I think I could hang on to one of these bars for the. Oh, wait a second. There's not a station. Oh, no. I thought there was a station at the end of this. I got to go back around. I thought I was saving myself a walk. Well, I feel stupid. This thing, I'm going to turn back. I'm going to end up right where I started. Well, another classic shore moment. Yeah, well done. Well done. Good job, mate. Well, I guess I'll wrap this one up. You guys have a lovely day, V-Pit.